When you're ready to install the Instagram app to your device, the first place we're going to go is the App Store. This is the blue icon on the left side of my screen that has an A-looking shape in the middle of it. This is where you will go to search for any apps that you want to download to your phone. When we go into the App Store, you'll see at the bottom right, there's a magnifying glass that says search. This is where we would go to type in anything we're searching for. So if you click on the search bar at the top of your screen, we're going to start looking for Instagram. And you'll see it comes up to the top as soon as I start typing it in because it's one of the more popular apps. Now it's giving us choices. The main app to the top left is Instagram. That's what we want to get. And that's exactly the option it gives us. So the button that says Get, we're going to press that. It's asking us if we want to install the app, which we do. You may have to enter your password if you have it set up for your Apple account for downloading apps. This is free, so no charges will be made. You'll see the blue line filling in the circle around the blue square. This means that your app is downloading. And now that it's done, we can open it here directly from the app by pressing the button that says Open, or we can go to our home screen of our Apple device, and it has added an icon directly to the home screen where we can find it easily. Now you can sort it or place it wherever you want on your device for your easiest convenience. But for these purposes, we're going to open the app directly from here. You have two options. You can log into your Instagram account if you already have one, or you can create a new account.